Good morning, fourth graders. Here is your work for Wednesday, September 23rd. Hope you're all having a good day when you watch this. So here's your to-do list. Morning meeting, share your favorite morning meeting game on a Seesaw video. So I'm looking for ideas that we could do. I'm always looking for morning meeting ideas. One of my favorites, but we can't really do it with COVID, it was rock, paper, scissors. And it's a different rock, paper, scissors where you get, when you lose, you have to go cheer on whoever got it. So I'm sure that you've all played that. Maybe you haven't. But anyway, so I'm looking for ideas for morning meeting games. Writing, you're going to finish the story map from yesterday and look at the single point rubric. So let's look at classwork. So here's the story map. So again, just to remind you, you are planning out a story you are going to write. This is the one that you turn in. This is examples from yesterday. So this shows you the example from the Coke video. And then we've got the one that we did together from Ralph Writes a Story. So again, look at these if you need some help. Make sure you're writing no more than a sentence. You're not writing your whole story in this. We will expand it later. And do turn it in because I will be looking at it and giving you some feedback. Now, the single point rubric. So this is something that goes along with the writing we are doing. This is found in the stream because it is not an assignment. But if you look right here, this is a rubric that you will be graded on for the story you write. Not necessarily that story map, but once you actually start writing your full story. So this is the criteria and what you will be learning about as we continue working on narratives. So bright spots are things that you're doing well. Feedback is what would be room for improvement. So these are the targets that you will need to be able to do. Include some details to convey experiences and events. Write with parts of proper structure, so an introduction, sequence of events, and conclusion. Use basic transitional words and phrases to manage the sequence of events, and use dialogue. Some of this may not make sense to you right now, which is fine, but it's what we will be working on the next few weeks on this. So just look through this, make sure that you understand what you're being graded on. So back to our to-do list. Math, you've got a Unit 1 pretest. Reading, video and form on author's purpose, read 20 minutes, and also do Dreambox for math, and then science, complete the science activity by Monday. I'm going to go through all of those right here under classwork. Let's start with the reading. So you've got a form here on author's purpose. So watch the video, again make it full screen by clicking YouTube, and then turn it in. Make sure that you're reading 20 minutes too. Math pretest. This is a pretest to see what you know. You are not graded on it. Try your best and do it on your own. I don't expect you to get everything right. This is just going to help me to know what to teach you. So don't ask mom or dad or brother and sister for help or grandma or grandpa. Just do it on your own. Try your best. If you don't know something, you can just write a random answer because I think you have to put something for every one. And finally, let's look at science. So science and social studies are going to be done at home. So I'm going to walk you through this slide, and this will be due when you come back on Monday. So this is a social studies notebook. What I recommend for this once this loads is go to present mode by clicking there. Sing the difference silently. I'm not sure why this is taking so long. I threw the Jeopardy sign and it's still not ready. There we go. So full screen mode, you can hit the arrows at the bottom of your keyboard to move back and forth, and the reason full screen works best is then you can read everything and you can click on links like the video to give you some instructions to do. I think if you get out of full screen, no, I take that back. And then there's an activity where it says click here to write your prompt. It's hard to write there, so I recommend just doing a Google Doc and turning it in here where it says to add work. And then you just click around to do this. So again, this is due, as I said, when you come back. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. Here's your list of your work. Have a good day.